most popular BMW 1 Series. That's F20 model, so second generation of this BMW 1. This car takes wiper blade size 22 driver side, 18 passenger side and 12-inch on the rear. We're gonna start from passenger side here, so I'm gonna take 18-inch long wiper blades, and we're gonna need pinched up adapters to fit the HEYNER HYBRID wiper blades on this BMW. To remove original wiper blades from this BMW, you need to lift your wiper arm, squeeze back of the adapter and just take that off. Please remember to put the arm gently on the screen. I'm gonna take out the first blade out from the box. You will find hook adapters together. You won't need that for this type of wiper arm. This wiper's got the protective covers. Please remember to remove that before fitting. Now I'm gonna take one of the adapters. It has PT3. That's what you need. It has little arrows on the top. You need to put that up. So open the adapter, then place the adapter like that and lock it in. Now I'm gonna take the wiper blades. This metal bar goes here and locks the adapter on the wiper arm. You need to push it, will click, job done. Now I'm gonna do the same on the driver side. So I'm gonna lift the wiper arm, squeeze that end, twist it, and we can remove it. Again, gently put the wiper arm against the windscreen. Again, we open adapter, lift the arm, place the adapter on the arm, lock it, and attach wiper blade. For the front, job done. Now we're gonna go to the back. The back we're gonna fit HEYNER Real Classic blade. First we're gonna remove the original blade, so we need to lift the arm, twist the wiper, and it comes off. Again, we're gonna put the arm gently against the glass. Inside the HEYNER Real Classic you will find quite few different adapters. I'm gonna tell you which one is correct for this type of wiper arm on this BMW. Everything is on the back of the box, so you can find your car and find correct adapters. Again, we've got red plastic cover. You want to remove that. And the correct adapter is RB. I'm going to show you how to place it on the wiper blade, sorry. It's like that easy. Okay, and now we're gonna lift the arm. You see this little pins here that goes to the arm here, but first we need to twist the wiper, place it here, and then twist it, and job done. Thank you for watching.